Oh no! Oh, that was slow motion. Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. I'm at CTSR for a club race, December 1st, 2024, and we're going to go out for the mains. We've just ran the 3 qualifiers. First up is going to be 4-wheel drive mod buggy. So here they run 4-wheel drive spec, 4-wheel drive mod. I'm continuing to run mod in all my classes. This is my TEKNO EB410.2. Same setup and stuff that's on it versus the last time I was here at CTSR for the championship, except for now I am on the J Concept Smoothie 2s. I've been running slicks all day. It works quite well. Everything else under the hood is the same as it's always been. I still have yet to upgrade any of my old electronics, but I've still got the new Genzace Redline 2.0 in there. Starting P1 in the B main, I am BQ, so I just missed the cusp into the A. So I'm starting in pole position in the B main. Let's see how we do in this race. Here we go, B main time. 4-wheel drive mod buggy. Marshall's out.
Now get from on B main. Right is open.
A little light on Marshall's, but practice laps are open. Too much traction.
Okay, Marshall ready.
Alright, here we go.
Marshall ready. Drivers ready. Stop less than 5.
Oh, I'm pushy. Man, my line is terrible. Ah. Oh no! Oh, that was slow motion. Should have been able to recover from that, but I failed. Oh! Hey, I'm back in the lead Trying to block Eric.
Skateboarding, eh?
He broke. Got to be careful with the quick corrections. When you're on the line, the grip is extreme. buy me some time. Whew. Thank you. All right, I think that wins it. All right, we did it. That's all right, you can just, thank you.
Good job.
Yes, thank you. Good race, guys. Alright guys, we won that B. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button. If you're new here, subscribe. If you want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching.